Hi, everyone. So many of you ask how to build a mobile app with natively. So I decided to do this fun video where I'm building an app and deploy it to iOS. Of course, first through TestFlight, and then we'll push it to iOS. So I'm going to build a simple app today and show you how to do it. So let me share my screen and let's get started with it. Perfect. So today I want to build a workout app where I can, track my workout sessions, like have a calendar and other things. So I have already imported the design here, uploaded it. So I'm just gonna write the prompt, build me a workout app. So I just give it a go and I want natively to build it for me. So I'm building a app every day for our YouTube channel for natively. And some of my friends, they asked me that, hey, can you maybe, like make a like end to end, like from A to Z of like how to build an app and then how to do the backend and how to deploy to TestFlight and iOS and share it on LinkedIn. So I said, okay, why not, And it's Thursday, so I had some free time today. I was like, okay, I'm gonna make this fun video and just share it with you all. And I would love to hear like, what you think. Yeah, so I have built so many apps during the last months myself. And slowly, I'm going out of, I just like run out of ideas, what to build. So I was thinking that, yeah, maybe I can just build a simple workout app, and then just like do show you how it works. Um, so yeah, like we are building natively and we're letting everyone to become a mobile developer, or we let everyone to become someone who can build their own mobile apps without any technical knowledge. So you don't need to know coding to build a mobile app anymore. And yeah, so this is natively. This is how the platform looks like. If you're a coder, you can actually work with the code. You can change stuff there. Um, yeah, you can actually play with the code. I don't know how to code, so I'm just learning it myself now, the basics. But yeah, you can see the integrations here we have with APIs for different solutions. Of course, here's Supabase is our backend, is our database, and we can also deploy to iOS. So I'm gonna deploy the app to iOS. I don't have Android, so I'm gonna buy an Android phone to be able to do the Android. But today I'm gonna do only the iOS part. And if there's a huge interest for Android, I'm gonna do it as well. So I'm gonna show it so how it works. So you see with the first prompt, I would love to give always the design in the first prompt. I would love to see a nice design for my app. So I just give a very simple prompt. I don't use ChatGPT or other, AI chatbots for prompting. I just use, simple um, prompt myself. Meanwhile, while you see the front end is being built, I'm gonna do the backend. So I'm gonna create the Supabase, which is it's a solution for the backend for the database. So I'm gonna just connect here with this. I'm gonna connect with the Supabase here. I'm gonna choose my organization here, give the authorization to natively to build the backend for me in a database. Yeah, you see that I'm building lots of apps like every day. And I'm gonna not create a new project because I don't have enough space for my Supabase or the database that I use. So I'm gonna connect with dog walking app, which I use it as my demo project. So I just connect here with dog walking app. And then if you go to the dashboard in the database, you can see that we have 70 tables. And these tables are all from other apps that I have built. So yep, I'm building an app every day, one or two. Some of them are, for my own use cases. Some of them are I want to push and make some money with them. And some of them are, for our like YouTube content and also Twitter or X. So yeah, this is being built, the front end. Yeah, to be honest, I think you don't need to know coding now to build something. These vibe coding tools really allow you to build whatever you want. Either it's a mobile app or a web app or anything else. But for natively, we're focusing only on mobile apps. And if you have some mobile app ideas, just go build it with natively. I'm gonna drop you a link on the comment section where you can actually go use that link and then get some community free prompts. Yeah, just go build your dream app now, to be honest. And we have a lot of users that they're building mobile apps for themselves, just for their own use cases. And of course, the other majority, they want to build mobile apps to, have users pay, it's like have subscriptions, so they just make money. And yeah, there's such a huge demand there. Nice. This looks great, actually. This looks really nice. And also, we just released yesterday Visual Editor. You can actually, edit the app. It's like a Figma's feature, so you can actually, do change design and other things. So yeah, here, if I click here, then I can change it to Jawhead, and then I apply save. Yeah, I just go to the chat back. Yeah, it changed. Nice. So you can actually, use this and then change lots of stuff here, the text, the color, the font size, whatever, the margin. Yeah, those are the chat. So now what I want to do, I want to give my second prompt. I did the Supabase connection, so I just ask AI to build the backend. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. This is my second prompt, and of course, for you, it's really up to you. How do you want to proceed with building your app? For me, because I don't want to click all around, because like from my experience, but also how you should approach building something is that you click all the places. You just click all the buttons to see if something works, something not. And that's, the nice part that is you see, so that like you become a product thinker, you see if things are working or not, and then you ask AI to actually, make things work if certain buttons are not working or you're gonna click some stuff. So that's like, what takes me 1 or 2 hours. So I click everything, I test everything out myself and then see if everything works. And the best part about this QR code is that if you download Expo Go on your phone, then you can actually see the app already on your mobile phone. So you can just see it view Expo Go, and that shows, how your mobile app looks like. And that gives you a very nice feeling of if everything works, everything is properly being designed. And also you can actually start using your app already, view Expo Go. So that's a nice thing. So natively start to building the backend. And if we go here, we had 70 tables, just remember. And once the new tables are added, then we'll have new tables. I don't remember if I had workout app being built previously. If I have built, if there are some tables, then it will try to take those existing tables as a table for this app. If not, then it will create a new table. And for the design, I use Pinterest for some, ideas on, how my app should look like, but also, I use it, as a starting point for the design, and then, try to look at Pinterest, but also, put my own design in a drawing style, so I draw how my app should look like, and then I try to compare with some examples from Pinterest, and then, try to make it the final, and then actually upload that. So I think, yeah, it's really about what is your taste, like, how do you want to see your app look like, and it's up to you. But you can, yeah, of course, use some other, like Pinterest or other solutions just to see what are, some good designs, starting designs for your app to see if it looks nice or not. Because I think having a nice look, UI, and also the UX really matters a lot. So it should really be, because now there are lots of apps, so you have to really be different so that people will use your app. And if you want to charge them, then it should be a better app so that they see the value in paying subscription or whatever you charge for. Yes, you see, we had 70 tables, now we have 75 tables. So there are 5 new tables, which is nice. Yeah, gym profile. Yeah, okay, because yeah, like session exercises, okay, schedule workouts. Yeah, because I have so many apps on tables. So what I suggest, yeah, it's like workout exercises, workout program, workout station, workout. So I think these 5 tables are from my new app. But what I suggest you is that you always use like one project per app. So don't add all the tables in the one shared database, because then things are messing up. So just it's better to avoid that. Just have clean and just like database, and for one project only, for one app. Perfect. So here we are. So cool. So I think what I do now is that, so we have our front end done, our back end. So we have a database. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna deploy my app to iOS. So I just migrate to GitHub. I open my project in GitHub. Yeah, I see everything is here. So this is amazing. I come and open my GitHub here. I change this, it's private. I just make it public. So let me change to public. Okay, I verified. Let me go back here. I think I have to change it here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's public now. It's nice. So what I do is that, I just copy this this link from the browser. I come here. I go open Expo launch. I just paste my link here. I just say launch. So you see that I just did 2 prompts to build the front end and the back end of my mobile app. And now I'm already pushing it to the App Store. So your App Store, I want to call it the workout app. I continue. I will sign in with my Apple developer account. I actually got the Apple developer account 2 weeks ago. So I'm just trying to build apps and then push it to iOS every day. Yes, create the app. Also, so this is gonna be a shorter video, but I'm gonna record 1 or 2 hour video, where I'm actually playing a lot with the app, like try to click all the buttons, everything works. So make it, well-functioning app. But here is just, I'm just building something simple just to show you the crazy power of AI and natively and just like how possible it is to build mobile apps. So yeah, I just launched to iOS. So let's go. So the sad part is that I'm using my phone as a camera, so I cannot scan this QR code. So I could show you how it looks on the mobile phone. Yeah, so also I'm doing the recording in my apartment, so very low effort studio and setup. So and very cheap, like it doesn't cost anything. So yeah, but so here it is. So actually what happens is now is that Expo Go is, kind of trying to push my app to, like launch to the App Store. But before App Store, it actually launched it first in the test flight. So test flight is the first step, So you actually test your app, you see if it works. You also, apply for build like making it public so others can use it. And then once Apple approve it, then you can actually let other people to use your app on a test flight mode. And actually, after testing, so you see everything is fine, the app works well, you do some changes, then you actually, push the old version or the new version to iOS, and you fill in all the information that which are requested. You add a screenshot, and then you push it to App Store. Yeah, the process is super simple. And yeah, so if you see, this is our app. We can have the start the workout session. We can see, our weekend. We can see our activities, some daily schedule. We can see the summary of what we have done. Um, we can see here the workout plans. What are some workout stuff here. We can see the progress. I think, yeah, what's the next step is for me, just like to really click all the buttons, see everything works or not, and then, just like push to the actual MVP, app to test flight. But here I'm just, doing it for a short demo to show you how things work and also how simple it is. I was shocked, like when I learned how to deploy the app, which is just super simple. You just click things, and it's like I was like, wow, I'm shocked. And I just feel like a superhero or super powered human, whatever you call it. I was like, wow, this is just crazy. I'm actually soon gonna buy an Android phone and then try out the Google Play and see that. But also, I think that should be also very easy. So yeah, I couldn't have imagined myself to become a mobile app developer or like a vibe coder a year ago, but now I'm sitting here and then spending all my days with natively and building mobile apps. Uh, yeah, so for me, I think the philosophy here is that I want to grow natively, but also I really want to be the user of natively myself as well. To really see the user experience as someone who doesn't know how to code. So I really want to also be the user of natively, so I can build natively with the team, but also I can be the users who can understand the customer or like the user's main pain point. So this is something that I really love, that I use it for myself as well. Can go to the Expo dashboard. Yeah, we can see here. But let me show you something actually. So yeah, I have 5 apps which are on a test flight. So it's a study note. There's a co-founder dating app, where you can find co-founders or business partners. I have a skincare app test on test flight. So this is from one of my friends that she want to build a skincare app where she tracks the skincare health routine, what do you use, what products, and also give you a bit of analysis of what to use as a product. And then I have, couple calendar where you're sharing a calendar with your partner, your wife, husband, girlfriend, boyfriend, or maybe even with your colleagues. So you can have, shared calendar and then see how things are going. Style Canberra, this is the one which actually Tim built it, so not me. Yeah, you can see Timothy here. Actually, this is like one of the favorite ones so far. So you just take a picture of yourself and then it suggests you outfit, what to wear. And I think that we have to push this to iOS very soon. And also, I'm gonna push the couple ones, like couple calendar. Yeah, so all these apps ideas are super nice. I like them. So I really want to, launch most of them to the iOS, push it further, and of course to Google Play as well. Perfect. So here we are. So let me connect with my App Store account. Yeah, so you see how it's just like a few minutes. Of course, it takes a bit of time to like, push the update. You just have to wait. Let me put my email. I forgot my password, so I'm just writing it down. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, it's processing still. Oh, it just takes some few more minutes, I think. So what happened is that I got the invite to the workout app on my email. So I'm gonna view it in the test flight. Um, let's see. Show me. Let's go back here. Yeah, like I wish I had my phone so I could do it faster from the test flight. Yeah, I really haven't tried, you know. Let me see if it's processed. Yeah, I have never tried the test flight on my Mac, but yeah, so you saw the okay, it's completed, nice. But let me kind of try it one more time. But yeah, actually the idea is that you just get this invite and you just go and then just like download the app and that's it. So it's okay. Let me just open test flight again. Yeah, learning it myself as well how to use test flight, but I don't see my profile here. This is stupid. But yeah, so yeah, the idea is simple. You just go and then kind of just click here, and then it'll actually let you download the workout app, and then you will have it on your phone, and then you can just use it. So yeah, this was the journey that I want to take you from to, and yeah, like just to make an external tasting link, you just have to write the group thingy is more okay. LinkedIn friends, and then like once you create it, you just have to actually manage it. So you just have to add build, you click on this version and you have to submit an application to make the test flight link available to others. Um, please use my workout app to see how it works for you. Feedback email. Okay, Jahed. Yeah, no requirement. Nice. Okay, Jahed. Okay. Dun. Emails. Okay. Yeah, just some random words. But so the app. Oh, okay. Okay. So you submit the application and then Apple will review and then will let you will approve it and then you can actually share the test flight link for others to download the app and use it on a test flight mode before pushing it to iOS. So yeah, this was it. So I really hope that you enjoyed and let me know what you think about it. But also, if you want me to push this to iOS, please comment iOS. Also, if some of you want to have and test natively, just please write in the comment natively, and then I can give you some community prompts, and then go and build your dream app. So yeah, we build a simple workout app from front end to backend, and also we deploy it to test flights. Next step is, of course, iOS. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, see you next time, maybe. Bye bye. Take care.